Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to cook my Chinese style honey garlic chicken wings. All we need to do is 8 to 10 pieces of chicken wings, chicken powder, Shaoxing wine, light soy sauce, sesame oil, chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon sugar. And also we need the honey. One spoon of light soy sauce, 1 spoon of Shaoxing wine or Chinese wine. Half spoon of sesame oil, a little bit of chicken powder, just mix them together. Also add the sugar, the cornstarch powder, and then the black pepper. We season it with the chicken wings. When the seasoning already mixed together, we just put this one to the chicken wings. Then marinate it for 1 to 3 hours or overnight. Just put it with the cling wrap, and then we put it on the fridge for 1 to 3 hours or overnight para mas malasa po siya. And then later on we will cook it. Now we start cooking. Heat the oil. Saute the garlic first. And then put the chicken. We just fry this chicken side by side. To make it golden brown. Disclaimer lang po guys, I'm not an expert in cooking. This recipe is based only on my experience. Kasi po yung mga employer ko po o yung mga boss ko po is Chinese. And then turn it back to chicken. So it make it golden brown. Guys, tansya-tansya lang po. Depende po sa kung gaano nyo po kagustong ka-toasted o na. Kasi po yung mga Chinese po, hindi po sila mahilig sa oily food. Kaya po, hindi po siya deep fry. Stir fry lang po siya. Then, later on po, add po tayo ng maybe 2 cups of water. Para po lumambot po siya. And then, it's done. Add a water. Bring to boil. Balikan po natin siya. Ayan po guys, kumukulo na po siya. I-add na po natin yung honey. 2 spoon of honey po. Or depende po yan sa, ito po yung honey. Depende po sa inyong panlasa. Kasi po, the Chinese don't like so sweet, don't like too oily. Adjust na lang po kayo according to your taste. Because this recipe I share with you is only based on my experience. Then, after this, let it dry or evaporate the water. Then we're done cooking. This is the finished product. If you like this video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe and like my video. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.